Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial I'll show you how to make this keyhole neck scarf, which basically is a triangle with the buttonhole on one corner. Now I'll show you how to make this neck scarf. I have cast lining fabric already, and these are measurements for my neck scarf, which are 35 cm by 84 cm. And for my top fabric I'll be using this gorgeous wool tartan fabric. This is the right side of this tartan fabric, and I'm placing this lining fabric on top like that, and I'll pin this lining fabric on this tartan fabric. Next, I'm cutting this button piece out. Next, I'm folding both layers in half, so that's the center. I'm pinning the center. I will leave the center gap open there. I won't sew there, but I will sew all around. Now I'll sew these two layers together. So this is the center. I will leave gap open there, and the seam allowance is 5 mm. Cutting excess thread off, and here both button pieces sewn together. Next, I'm cutting excess fabric off on each corner. Next, I will reverse the scarf to the right side using this opening. Next, I will sharpen corners with this pin. Next, I will sew up this opening using this invisible thread. This is how it looks. And this center opening is sewed together. Next, I will iron this scarf flat. And here's my ironed scarf, looks like that. Next, I'm folding this scarf in half, pinning the center like that, and I will sew on my label. So this is my label, cutting my label off, and I'll sew this label in the center there. And this is how it looks. Next, I'll sew a buttonhole on this corner there. I have added pins already, and the buttonhole will go there above that red line, and the measurements are from this pin to the edge 9 cm, and from this edge to the red line measurement is 5 cm. Now I'll sew a buttonhole there above this red line. I'm using buttonhole foot to sew buttonhole on this corner. If you want to know how to sew buttonhole on a fabric, please comment down below in the comment box. And the buttonhole is sewed on this corner, and it looks like that. So this is the wrong side on a lining, and this is the right side. Next, I'm cutting all excess thread off. Next, I'm adding pins on each end of the buttonhole like that, and I'll be using sharp scissors to cut open this buttonhole like that. Removing pins, brushing this buttonhole like that so the excess thread comes out, and I'm cutting that excess thread off like that, and the buttonhole is finished. And it looks like that. So this is the right side, and this is the wrong side. And here's my finished keyhole neck scarf. looks like that. If you have any questions how I made this neck scarf, please comment down below in a comment box. I'll add all materials which I use on this tutorial in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was useful. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.